everyone, and today I'm packing something for hair and can sleep with this. And let's look what I have inside. Have so amazing MurierSilk Care Quiet. Can sleep all night and feel very soft and very easy to sleep, and after wake up, and this is very easy to take this cup for make you hair didn't break hair, and for long hair also have stretch fabric, so this is very easy to wear and to use all night or day. And for your color, for your long hair, it will be very good. And look, its fabric so soft and color very beautiful. Also have hypoallergenic material, so this is very good for present or for you.